Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2019 Nissan here. We're going to go over how you would hook up your phone, connect your phone to a 2019 Nissan. And so to go through, you're going to hit connections. That's one way. And then you're going to hit add new. And then you're going to go on your phone, and you need to, if you can hold the Bluetooth option, you're going to scroll up as it's finding devices, and then we've got the device here, and we're going to hit that, and then we confirm that we have that same PIN number on your phone. I'm going to hit OK, and there is that phone. My phone has been connected. It's also allowing if I want to have my contacts and so port it over. If you want to, you can hit allow. If not, you can hit your deny. And same thing with call history or text messages. So that's how you hook up your phone on a 2019 Nissan. And then if you're done and you want to disconnect the phone, you just have to hit this information icon, and you can just hit delete. And you can do that with all of them, and delete. Right. And so that's how you add a phone to your Nissan of a 2019, as well as disconnect one to remove all of your information off if you don't want it to be on the car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.